In 1979, KKP was founded in Hong Kong, specializing in manufacturing plastic containers. In 1993, KKP successively established its branch factories in Jiangmen and Dongguan, which has strided towards the goal of becoming a well-known master of packaging solutions in the industry of domestic and international cosmetic brands. KKP is well equipped itself with various workshops, such as injection workshop, blowing workshop, decoration workshop, assembly workshop, GMP workshop, in-house mold-making center, and so forth. KKP is a company which owns the advanced modern equipment and the comprehensive manufacturing and production capability. Besides, KKP has got the QS production license, ISO 9000, BRC, and other certifications, and carrying out the ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, 6S, and other management systems. KKP has been using the advanced CAD and CAM software at home and abroad to meet the designing and developing demands from various aspects, multi-angles, and high precision. Upon these advanced softwares and mold-making machines, KKP has the annual capability to produce 2,000 sets blowing bottle molds and 300 sets injection molds. Equipped with over 110 units sophisticated injection molding machines, with automatic lines of central feeding system, which thus could reduce the pollution of raw material. KKP could process all common plastic resins, such as PE, PP, ABS, PET, PETG, PMMA, and etc., under high speed and a fully automatic production, with over 100 sets advanced high-speed automatic blow molding machines, over 30 sets PET injection blowing machines. KKP is capable of processing various types of plastic containers from 3 milliliters to 10 liters. What's more, KKP's GMP workshop cleaning grade is 100,000, which is built seriously under the cleaning standard and is specially capable of producing pharmaceutical and food packaging. KKP is the company which has rich experience in production and management professionals and has over 130 machines for various decoration processes, from plate making to the packaging silk screen printing, hot stamping, labeling, UV coating, and etc. KKP, combined with high precision and advanced mold production capacity, utilizes the advanced CNC machining center to ensure the perfection of design. KKP is widely recognized and praised in the industry for its independent developed products. It has successfully developed many products such as gradient color blowing bottles, bicolored injection products with 2 layers, thick wall EBM PETG bottles, etc., many of which have obtained national patents. Over the years, to establish a strict quality management system, KKP adhered to customer-oriented management concepts, keep itself following the guidance of ISO 9001 International Quality Management Standard. Besides, KKP is equipped itself with the advanced and perfect testing instruments as well as testing professionals. From product design, development, manufacture, testing, packaging to the transportation service, KKP has implemented a strict quality control management of the whole process. KKP has been honored as inspection-free and satisfied supplier by numerous customers. In the future, we will keep devoting our all efforts to shaping KKP into a great brand of advanced packaging solutions.